Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your system meets requirements. Check Windows 11 build and free disk space. Once done, back up the registry, export the taskbar keys, and store them somewhere safe. Next, download the Rounded Taskbar utility or the theme package you plan to install, and note the installer path. You should close non-essential apps before proceeding. This reduces conflicts. Finally, run the installer as administrator to begin modifications, so permissions won't block the new UI changes. You now configure the Rounded Taskbar using the Tools interface. First, run the app as administrator and pick a preset or set a custom corner radius, then apply to preview. Next, tweak alignment, icon padding, and color accents so the bar matches your theme. Use the live preview to compare. Make sure to enable auto start if you want persistence across reboots, and create a restore point inside the app. This ensures you can revert quickly if something doesn't look right. You finish by restarting Explorer or performing a full reboot so all visual and animation changes take effect. Once restarted, inspect system trays and context menus to confirm alignment and functionality. If icons look off, reset settings or reapply the default theme, then redo your customizations step by step. Make sure to keep the app updated. If problems persist, run System File Checker and check for conflicting shell extensions. This single troubleshooting tip resolves many visual glitches quickly, so try it before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.